Greetings, Impact Learning Communities faculty. This is the first video to introduce you to an online workshop that we've developed for those of you who are not able to join us on May 17th for the all-day workshop we have for our Fall 2019 ILC faculty. And I am starting off on this folder that we have in Google Drive. This contains all of the materials that we use during the workshop. And specifically, I have a folder created here, which is the online workshop for, again, those of you who are not able to join us. So you'll be able to follow all the instructional videos, find those in this folder. And I'm just going to briefly orient you to what we'll be talking about in this online format. This is the agenda that we used on May 17th. We'll start with a very brief overview of learning communities and high impact practices, and then spend some time doing an overview of our plans and goals for ILCs in fall 2019. I'll briefly orient you to some of the digital tools and problem and project-based learning resources that Dr. Jennifer Kidd shared with us, though I will not go into detail on those. You can reach out to Jennifer if you have additional questions. And I'll also just reference an integrative learning assignment faculty charrette that we did at our tables during the workshop. And then finally spend some time practically talking about how you can plan for and receive funding for the enrichment activities for students in your class. So this is video 1, and I hope that this is an informative and helpful set of resources for you.